Ladies and gentlemen, today we are a nation of 207 million with tremendous geo-economic potential. In order to carve a promising future for our people, it is important for us to embark upon a solid economic roadmap backed up by infrastructural development and regional integration. Our choices with respect to the same have been clear and explicit. This geo-economic vision is centered around 4 pillars. 1. Moving towards a lasting and enduring peace within and outside. 2. Non-interference of any kind in the internal affairs of our neighboring and regional countries. 3. Boosting intra-regional trade and connectivity. 4. Bringing sustainable development and prosperity through establishment of investment and economic hubs within the region. It is time that we in South Asia create synergy through connectivity, peaceful coexistence, resource sharing to fight hunger, illiteracy and disease instead of fighting each other.